How to use WhatsApp proxy for unstable connections. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. Today's video is about how you can use a proxy for unstable internet on your WhatsApp. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So there is a basic prerequisite for this. So first, make sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date to the latest version. The other is basically obtaining a proxy address. So make sure that you have a good proxy address. Then if you have the updated version of WhatsApp and the proxy address, you can then move on. First step, locate your WhatsApp and then open it up. After you open up your WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then tap on the settings option. After you're on your settings, navigate to storage and data. After you're there, you'll find the proxy option. All you have to do is select proxy. Then all you now have to do is tap on setup proxy. Tap on setup proxy, and after you do that, you'll now need to enter the proxy address, or basically the proxy host and the corresponding chat port. And after you do that, also just choose a media port as well. After doing that, tap on the save button and you are good. And that's how you do it. Now, some basic troubleshooting is if connection fails, if you see an unable to connect status, there might be an incorrect details in the proxy. So double check your IP address and the port number. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.